Hello viewers, how are you? Today we are going to learn about how to update Debian OS and fix download error, no installation candidate, or this message. Okay, now we will change some things. Just disable this, and I have already add above 4 lines for installation software, and save this line, this line, this line, and this line. Now simple apt update. Okay, all are fine. Now we update our OS. Congratulations, within short time we can found the updated Debian 13. We will reboot it and we will test using software installation. So no installation candidate or software installation error is gone. Let's check it. Okay, we install software apt install beam. Now our all error is gone. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.